Tesla's Summon feature allows you to remotely park and unpark your Model S using the mobile app or key fob. This video will guide you through enabling and using Summon, highlighting its capabilities and safety considerations. Summon is available on Model S vehicles equipped with full self-driving FSD, supervised, or enhanced autopilot. As of 2026, the feature has improved obstacle detection and longer distance summons, up to 200 feet, due to FSD V12 updates. To use Summon on your Tesla Model S, your vehicle must be equipped with either full self-driving supervised or enhanced autopilot. These are premium software packages that enable advanced autonomous features. The full self-driving supervised package costs around $8,000 as of 2026. This advanced system provides comprehensive autonomous driving capabilities. Alternatively, the enhanced autopilot package is priced at approximately $6,000. It offers enhanced driving assistance features that make autonomous parking possible. Without either of these packages, the Summon feature will not appear in your vehicle's touchscreen settings or be accessible through the Tesla mobile app. To enable Summon via the Tesla app, first download and log into the Tesla app on your iOS or Android device. Make sure you have the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and log in with your Tesla account credentials. This connects your device to your vehicle. After logging in, select your Model S from the list of vehicles associated with your account. This brings up the main control interface for that specific car. From your vehicle's main screen, navigate to the Controls section. Then tap on Summon to access the remote parking feature. Once in the Summon menu, follow the on-screen prompts to choose whether you want to enter or exit parking mode. The app will guide you through the process step by step. Before Summon can work, make sure your vehicle is in park mode and that all doors are unlocked. This is a safety requirement to prevent accidental movement. Finally, verify that Allow Mobile Access is enabled in your car's touchscreen settings. This permission allows the app to control parking functions remotely. Summon can also be activated using the Tesla key fob. Hold down the Summon button on the fob if your model has one, or the part of the fob linked to the app. Ensure the key fob is within Bluetooth range of the vehicle for it to function correctly. Some older key fobs may require being linked in the phone key settings of the car. You can also access and adjust Summon settings via your Model S touchscreen. Go to Controls, then Autopilot, and finally Summon. Here you can toggle Allow Mobile App Access and Allow Key Fob Access. It is also important to set parameters such as maximum summon speed, e.g. 5 miles per hour, and distance limits. These settings configure how the Summon feature operates. Summon includes several safety protocols. The vehicle will stop if it detects an obstacle or if you release the button on the app or key fob. It is not intended for highway use and requires a clear line of sight initially. Always practice in empty parking lots to familiarize yourself with the feature before using it in tight or populated areas. Summon can be incredibly convenient in real-world scenarios. Imagine using it to retrieve your car from a crowded garage during a rainstorm, avoiding a tedious 10-minute walk in bad weather. In 2025, a Model S owner in San Francisco successfully used Summon this way, with the app's real-time video feed allowing precise control to prevent any scratches on neighboring vehicles. However, it's crucial to remain vigilant and supervise the feature. A 2025 lawsuit in California highlighted the risks when a user enabled Summon without proper attention, resulting in minor property damage to their vehicle. This incident led Tesla to update settings requiring explicit user consent for autonomous maneuvers. The trend toward vehicle autonomy is accelerating, with Summon representing a shift from manual to AI-assisted mobility. Tesla aims for full autonomy by 2027-2028, where Summon could evolve into multi-vehicle coordination, allowing vehicles to work together seamlessly. However, challenges remain, including cybersecurity risks where hackers could potentially trigger Summon remotely, and regulatory hurdles as governments tighten oversight. The U.S. NHTSA is proposing stricter oversight, mandating driver consent for all autonomous maneuvers to ensure safety. Despite these challenges, AI advancements promise safer and more intuitive summon capabilities, with improved obstacle detection and sensor fusion. These improvements could potentially reduce parking-related stress in urban areas by making autonomous parking more reliable and accessible. Keep an eye on software updates for the latest features and improvements as Tesla continues to refine summon and autonomous parking technology.